welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna teach you how to make a green screen in KINE MASTER like this. So let's go to KINE MASTER. Go to KINE MASTER. Yeah, and make a video. Yeah, do 6:9 ratio, and make a media layer. I choose the mountain. Okay. Now make a video. Make a video. Camera recorder. Okay. And do this. Make a video. Boom. That's it. Use it as a layer. Like this. Yeah. Like that. And enlarge it. Yeah, enlarge it. And make the chroma key in variable. Make sure it's first. First turn off the chroma key first. Do this. Yeah. Now do the chroma key in variable. Yeah. And choose a color like this one. Yeah, like that one. And do the shadow mask. Make sure don't get any white. Don't get any black outside. And boom, like that. And boom, you got this. So that's it. So make a video. This is the result. And that's it. So comment and like and subscribe. So bye. Hey, did you make this far? Means you like my video. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And also, did you count the messages? The winner is, I'm gonna give the shout out to the winner, and I'm gonna shout out to the channel's winner. So count the messages to shout out your channel if you have a channel, and don't cheat, okay? So bye, and like and subscribe and comment. So bye.